Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. My name is Rebecca and today we have a new Dollar Tree video for y'all to show you what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. We are located in the DFW area. I went to several different stores this week and took lots of pictures of what I could find, and I combined all the pictures into one video. So let's go shopping and see what is new. In the apparel and accessories, we have some of the novelty socks. There is the Batman with the gray background or the black background. They also had a few different pairs of socks of the Flash. They have one with the black background with the symbol on it in red, or you can get the yellow and red with his whole outfit on the front. There's also these blue and yellow Marvel socks. They have Spider-Man and a couple different pairs of the Minion socks. So this one has the purple background with a bunch of different Minions on it. There's also the yellow background with their faces, or the blue background with them chewing bubble gum. There's also the Fruit Loop socks. These, of course, are all $1.25. They had the Flintstones and Scooby-Doo. And then another sock that they had was the Tom and Jerry. This one has the green background. And they have South Park. This one says, I do what I want. Over in the arts and crafts, they have these rolls of fabric. They are 100% cotton. They have the solid colors of blue, yellow, pink, sage green, white, and light blue. They are 100% cotton, and it's an 18 by 21 inch roll of fabric. There's also these patterns in the red, white, and blue, or the plaid, all these summer colors. They also have this yellow background with the white bumblebees. And I love this one. It's like a floral and fruit. Has like grapefruit and lemon. So cute. The stretch canvas by Crafter Square. I love when they put out the 12 by 12 canvas for just $1.25. That's a fantastic buy. You can also get them in the 10 by 10 or the 6 by 8. These all have the stretched canvas with the frame and the staples in the back there to hold it on. There are the 2 packs of dowel rods, either the 4 or the 2 pack, and they brought back the wooden crates. These have all been restocked this week. There's also these assorted wood shapes. You get 8 stars or 8 flowers for just $1.25 in the DIY wooden mermaid. Also, they have a bunch of these iron-on decals that they had out about a year or so ago, and you get about 8 to 10 depending on the size, but they have all these fun different patterns on each card. There is the vinyl pineapples, there are anchors, llamas, birds, dogs. They also have cats, feathers, and my personal favorite is the cactus. I don't know what it is about the cactus. I love the patterns that they chose for the color scheme. I just think they're really cute. Would look cute over like on a pocket. Then there's these extra large iron-on stickers. They have the two-tone pink, or the 2-pack of pink, which are the cats. They have the whale and shark, which are the blue, and the dinosaurs, which are the orange. Then there's these large bundles of flowers. They have the dahlia flowers out right now. There are light pink, dark pink, yellow, white, and a peach color. They also have out these bundles of hydrangea, which were so pretty. They have them in the light blue and purple. You can see how the petals are two-toned and kind of like have an ombre look to them, which always helps make them look so much more realistic. They have white and yellow, and then they've restocked a bunch of their floral foam. There are the cones, they have the discs, the cubes, the squares. There's also the different packs of the round foam balls. Over in the baby and toddler section, there's the Angel of Mine insulated cups. They're 12 ounces, and it says for 36 months plus. It doesn't say if it's spill proof or not. And they had a couple different ones. There's like the green topper with the safari animals with the white background, or the purple and pink cup. And then this one is like a light blue with gray and polka dots. They also had some new Disney baby bottles, which I just love. They have the blue and teal, which has Dumbo on the outside. Absolutely adorable. He's in 2 different poses on the different color bottles. And then there is the light pink, and those have the different characters from The Lion King. And they say different things like the future is fierce, and I think this one says wild at heart. It's a little hard to see the writing there. The 30 count kids disposable sporks. It's a 2-in-1 spork it's like a fork and a spoon, and they're individually wrapped for on the go, and they are child size, which is great. Over in the health and beauty, they really didn't have a lot new as far as cosmetics go. They did have some of the cuticle oil, which we've seen in the past. It's a small 3 fluid ounce bottle with the crystals in it. So they have the blue crystals. There's also the rose quartz, which are the pink crystals, or you can get the green aventurine crystals. There's some new hair care products and accessories. They had out the mini clips. So you get 2 yellow, 2 pink, 2 purple, or 2 blue. And there are 2 different cards. So there's 2 different color schemes of those mini flowers. The enchanted accessories, these are the claw clips with that speckled kind of like paint splatter look. There is purple, black, pink, white, and either get the white or the black speckles depending on the color of the claw clip. They even have these kind of like opaque looking ones with the yellow and green splatters. Then the scunchie clips, we've got the 2-pack of clips with the stars, either the yellow, green, or the pink and purple set. They have the large claw clip star in the yellow and the mint green. And these are all scunchie by Conair, made for Dollar Tree since the tag is printed on the card. There's also these large bows, really pretty. They had them in the light pink or the black, and it has that sheer finish with that scalloped edge with the alligator clip on the back. Then the pharmacy and personal care section, we've got some of these coconut sugar and peach hydrating body mist and the polishing body and hair mist in the watermelon or strawberry honeysuckle. These are the 3.3 fluid ounce bottles of the smoothing body oil and the shimmering body oil, and those are all the Global Beauty Care brand. Also, there's this what We Well Yin Yang. It is the guasha stones. There's the hot cold iPads with the cherries or the oranges, and this pineapple body wash. It is sweet pineapple and melon scented, and it smells amazing. The Spa Luxury Shave Cream. They have the pomegranate, raspberry scent, or the coconut cream. And then the fun finds this week, all they had were these new little bottles of candy. They're called raindrops. It's a liquid candy and fizzy candy. So it comes with a little packet next to it. You put it in a potion bottle and it fizzes. And it looks like it's supposed to kind of spray up. So I don't know how messy it is. Over in the home decor, we've got these planters. They have the white, the gold, and the black with kind of like a silver underneath. These are the larger metal planters. They have a whole bunch of these little baskets with the gray, white, or black topper, and the 7x7 photo frame in the white and black, or the arches in the white and black, which hold a 5x7 photo. They have these wooden frames, which hold a 4x6 photo, and a bunch of these different wall art mirrors. You have this black rectangle mirror. There's the hexagon in the white and black, and there are these wall mandala wooden little like wall decor pieces. There's actually 4 different ones, so make sure you look through the box because there's just 4 different shapes. And they brought back these little trays, which are one of my favorite items from Dollar Tree. I've had these in my bathroom with the soap dispenser sitting on them and some hand sanitizer for over a year. They don't get wet really badly on the bottom, and they actually hold up quite nice. There's also this fun decor. It says blessed, love you most. And then they have this one here. It says always and forever. So I love all this new home decor they have out. The home library and office supplies teaching tree section. They have the 600 count pack of the Lisa Frank stickers. There's 5 sheets there. Then there are these laser stickers by the Teaching Tree brand. This one has like palm trees, outer space. Really fun with those laser stickers. I always love the colors of the laser stickers. Sometimes they're hard to see, like this groovy one here with the rainbows, sunshines, rainbows, and daisies. There's also this outer space theme and a whole bunch of these little animals. There's like safari animals, bears, little chickens, and ducks. And then this pack has the sweet treats. A little hard to see because they're so sparkly. There are these booklets like Off-Road Adventures and Puppies in Paris. It's a coloring activity book with a whole sheet of stickers in the front with the little carrying handle cut out in the top for little hands to carry easily. Then there are these plastic clipboards. You can either get the stripes or the solid, and they're starting to put out their back to school items like the 1-inch binders. Over in the housewares, maintenance, storage, organization, we've got these bottle up joy scented room deodorizers. There is the crimson citrus, mint cove, and velvet peach. Also the Bermuda blue citrus solid gel air fresheners, and these handles here for like the brooms are extendable, so they lock into place, but they're easier to store in like apartments or small closets, and then you can extend them out to a full-size broom handle, which is great. There's a 2-pack of tea light candles in the gold glitter or the silver glitter, and there are also these pillowcase luxury home packs. You get 2 pillowcases standard size for just $1.25. Then over in the kitchen and pantry section, they have these large water bottles with the measurements marked over on this side. They have them in green, pink, and blue. These large cowboy buckets, because of course we're in Texas, and the American flag disposable like aluminum tray with the snap-on lid for picnics and parties. Then I found these stainless steel straws. You can see they were $4.86. They're trying to cover up the price tag from Walmart. It's a reusable stainless steel straw. You get 16 pieces in all. There are 6 straws. These little things are like little silicone caps, which are new, so you can put on the end of your straw. And of course, they've got the 6 silicone tips and a cleaning brush. There's also these Knorr 8-pack of the bouillon cubes, the Manwich meal full-size cans for $1.25. Also, this crunchy chili oil. And then they had the new Campbell's condensed spicy buffalo cream of chicken soup. Has a recipe idea on the back since it's medium heat. Or the microwavable bowls of the spicy tomato soup. Over in the party supplies, they had their cake decor that you can decorate your cakes. I say happy birthday, and it has like a star and a crown. It's also the happy birthday cloud with the rainbow, and the happy birthday stars with the pearls and sequins. They have those in the cream color. You have the 2 decorative cake picks, and then there's also the light blue. Also, they had out these plastic cups with the sip lids. You get 6 of those, or 20 fluid ounce cups. And then they had these catering salt and pepper shakers. You get 6 of them for just $1.25. Also, these hors d'oeuvre little trays. They're like a tasting appetizer tray. You get 12 of those in the packet. Then for the seasonal decor, they've got these tabletop lamps that are rechargeable. It does take a AAA battery. Has the fake flame at the top there. They have their gardening gloves all restocked, and a whole bunch of their planters. They have some of the stackable ones as well. They have their different plant food and plant spike fertilizers, and the Miracle Grow pour and feed singles. So these are all just $1.25, and it is a liquid, so you want to be careful when you open it. It's not like a sprinkle plant food. They had some of their fall floral decor out with their fall leaves. These are all overstocked items from last year. They are starting to put out some of their fall items like these little candle holders and the felt pumpkins. Then they have these bumblebee planners, which they were out a few weeks ago as well. For the toys and games, there's the Crayola Silly Scents dough. Those come in a 2-pack. They're 4 ounces each in each pack, and they're wrapped together in that 2-pack. We have the land, air, sea, wild creatures. There's the sea life. It has like sea turtles and octopus. There's like seals and whales. Also the wild animals. That one is 16 pieces. These are small. It says for ages 3 or older. Maybe even a little older would be wise, because these are pretty small plastic pieces, but they have like the reptiles and they have their dinosaurs. There's also the mini packs of the Uno cards, and then they had out some of the Model Magic by Crayola. They only have it now in the yellow, blue, and red. They don't sell the white packets anymore. There's this 9-piece pack of the Cocoa Melon finger paint and the doll play sets, kind of like a Polly Pocket. There's a little clothes you can put on and a little play set toy to play with the dolls on. Then for the Dollar Tree Plus section, which is anything that costs more than $1.25, we have these $5 large tubs. You can use them for like a cooler for the summer. put your drinks in with some ice. They have them in 4 different colors: red, blue, a light green, and a teal blue. And then they also have these extra large tubs in the exact same color, except they have the rope handles on the sides. There's this memory flash game for $5, kind of like the game Simon. The full size Uno cards, they are actually the jumbo size for $5. And then this Play-Doh kitchen set. It looks like you can make like smoothies with it. There's the Orb Rainbow Swirl Slime. You get 3 slime colors. These large pillows, they have a panda bear and an axolotl for $5. Or you can get these plush collectible hobby horse. There are 4 of them, 2 horses and 2 unicorns. And what I like about them is there's this little button on the side, so they make noise. So some of the horses will whinny, and the unicorns will make like a magical sound. There's this little portable tunes music player for $5 for the little ones. And then these plastic reusable stepping stones, they're $3 each. They have the gray stepping stones. It's actually called a stomp stone. And you can see on the outside, they're 13 by 15 inches. They have the hexagon, which are the black ones here. And then they also have this one, which is the interlocking square tiles that are $3 each. And these are the 12 by 12. And that's it for today's video. Thank you all so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave a comment down below. What was your favorite find this week at the Dollar Tree? Hope you all have a lovely week, and I'll see you next time.